Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about that how can you earn by the voiceover of Portuguese language on Fiverr. So first of all we'll talk about the word voiceover, and then we'll move forward to the other topics like language and earning. So let's read this information provided on the Wikipedia about the word translation, and then we'll move forward to the uh, other topics. And by reading that information, we'll try to understand it. So let's go without wasting much more time. Let's read about it. Voiceover, also known as off camera or off stage commentary, is a production technique where a voice that is not part of the narrative, non diegetic, is used in a radio, television production, filmmaking, theater, or other presentations. The voiceover is read from a script and may be spoken by someone who appears elsewhere in the production or by a specialist voice actor. Synchronous dialogue, where the voiceover is narrating the action that is taking place at the same time, remains the most common technique in voiceovers. Asynchronous, however, is also used in cinema. It is usually pre recorded and placed over the top of the film or video and commonly used in documentaries or news reports to explain information. Voiceovers are used in video games and on hold messages, as well as for announcements and information at events and tourist destinations. It may also read live for an event such as award presentations. Voiceover is added in addition to any existing dialogue and is not be confused with voice acting or the process of replacing dialogue with a translated version, the latter of which is called dubbing or revoicing. So that was the short information about voiceover. I hope now you've understood about it. So now moving forward to the language, and we'll also read some short information about Portuguese language to get real quick knowledge about this language on Google Chrome. So let's read this to get some knowledge about this language. So let's go and let's read it out. Portuguese is currently the fifth most spoken language in the world and an official language of Portugal, Brazil, Angola, Cabo Verde, Guinea-Bissau, Mozambique, Sao Tome and Principe and East Timor. It is also used in Macau territory under Portuguese administration until 1999 and in Goa. Okay, is Portuguese a fast spoken language? Portuguese is a Romance language that is spoken by over 260 million people worldwide. It is recognized as one of the fastest spoken languages in the world, with an average speaking rate of 6.88 syllables per second. So that was the short information about Portuguese language. I hope now you've understood about this language. So now moving forward to the main point, that is how can you earn by the voiceover of Portuguese language on Fiverr. So first of all, we'll go to the Fiverr official website or the official platform for freelancing, and here on Fiverr we'll search about Portuguese language voiceover. So basically, our main point is that how can you earn by the Portuguese language voiceover? So we'll set this to get idea about the competition, the pricing, the demand, and much more. So as we can see that there are a lot of gigs on the Fiverr about this job of this job. So yeah, it is really tough competition, and you can say there is a high competition. So you have to work little bit hard to get your first order done or you have to put much efforts to get your first order done. And you can also use the marketing strategy to get your first order. And yeah, that is some uh, techniques to get orders on Fiverr. So it depends on you that which technique you are going to use in this tough competition. So let's check out a gig to get much more idea about it. So here's a gig. I will record a professional Brazilian Portuguese voiceover, and she's charging 1,485 PKR per order. Till now, she got 284 reviews with 5-star rating and one order in queue. So as you can see by the orders, as you can see by the reviews, there are a lot of reviews in just a single gig. And yeah, you can see by reviews that the demand is also high along with competition. So yeah, it is a plus point for you to get started on Fiverr or doing this job. So yeah, that was the video about it. I hope you've understood everything about it. So let's end this video here. We'll meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye. See you. Allah Hafiz.